Fancy hotel recipe with ingredients you have at home. To start, we'll need 1 large potato. Let's slice it into rounds. Then, in a pot of salted water, cook the potato for 8 minutes. Next, add a drizzle of oil to a pan. Add 1 pre-chopped onion. And 4 cloves of garlic. Mix it all well and let them saute together. Once they're ready, add half a kilo of ground beef. Let it fry for a bit. Now let's add the spices. I'm using paprika, salt, and black pepper. Remember, season to your taste. Mix and let the meat saute. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Stir and let it all saute again. When it looks ready, add a packet of tomato sauce. To finish, add some chopped chives. Let it simmer until some of the liquid evaporates. In a baking dish, let's add our pre-cooked potatoes. Once the bottom is fully lined, we'll add all our meat. Now let's spread the meat evenly. To finish, we'll add some mozzarella cheese. A few slices of tomato. And a sprinkle of oregano. Then we'll bake it until it's golden brown. When the cheese is melted, it's perfect. Take a look, folks. It looks incredible. Super easy and practical, not to mention delicious. And that's another quick recipe for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and see you next time.